On this week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about proper pipe wrench adjustment. The grip that I have on this cap looks like, that should work, but it's actually going to give me an unstable and potentially hazardous grip. In addition, if I use a grip like that on a pipe nipple, I'm likely to egg or make the pipe nipple oval from the force on it. So we always want to use what we call a 3-point bite. We want the jaws engaged and this backside engaged. And what that's going to do is get us the most reliable and safe grip without risk of egg shaping the nipple.